Get a little bit of vanilla apple in that thing, and then the whiskey.
I like that a lot, actually. That's good.
Join us as we take on the challenge trying to find Seattle's best old-fashioned cocktail. Can we track down the ultimate version of this classic drink in the Emerald City? And today we're at the Observatory Bar at Smith Tower, trying to see if they have the best old-fashioned in the city. And so far, the Dilla Room is still reigning #1 so far. Can the Smith Tower beat the Dilla Room? Join us and find out. So how do you think this old-fashioned is going to compare to last time then?
Oh, to the Olympic Hotel?
Oh no, the last time we were here.
The last time we were here? I think it's going to be better this time.
This amazing view here, oh jeez. Rainier, the Olympics.
Yeah, beautiful. I actually like that side better though. Seeing the city.
Oh yeah, yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Old-fashioned Friday.
Yeah, a little Michter's Old Fashioned, the Observatory Bar.
A little bit of sweetness in there. What do you think?
Yeah, the sweetness level is pretty good. Not too much, not too overwhelming.
Yeah, it's not very harsh at all.
I do like the orange. It's usually there. Not really picking that up too much here.
Yeah, I'm not picking up any orange.
No.
Just a little bit of the spiciness. I get
Yeah.
the spiciness of the.
Michter's single barrel.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
Got some good bite to it. Some nice smoothness in the back end. Some caramel.
It's a little less on the sweet side than most of the others that we've had. Even Diller or even the Fairmont. I'd say it's less sweet than those.
Yeah, it's kind of more leaning more towards the Founders Club of.
Yeah, but it's still good. How do you compare it to the Nest? Because this place has a fantastic view.
This is better than Nest. Old-fashioned.
I agree.
The only difference from the Nest, though, is the Nest you do have an unobstructed view. But obviously, yeah, if you can walk out here, be within 1 foot of going over the edge, this high up, you want to have it. You want to have it be caged in.
I think the bar is a lot more unique and
Oh yeah,
nicer, more classy. I'd say
Yeah.
classy. The old fashioned's better here by a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, the Nest had the there's a lot of ice in there too. You can't beat the old-fashioned Friday with a deal like this, though. Holy smokes! So what are you gonna rate this then?
For the quality of the old fashioned itself, 7.5.
Yeah, I agree. It's above the Nest.
Oh yeah,
It's above the Founders Club.
definitely.
Above the Founders, above the Nest. It's coming in underneath the Fairmont Olympic Hotel.
Yeah, the main bar.
The main bar.
Definitely.
That was fantastic.
Yeah.
And then still coming underneath the Diller Room by quite a margin still.
Oh yeah.
They get a little bit more sweetness right there. I guess there's a little slice of,
I saw it down in there a little bit.
yeah.
It's on the wrong spot.
So there is a slice of orange.
Because I wasn't getting any orange at all the whole way through. Didn't smell it, didn't taste it.
Yeah.
But I saw the peel like on the bottom of the glass. A little stir kind of helped out.
Yeah, because I got no sweetness at all on this. So we're still like 2.5 points from the Dilla Room. Not even touching it.
I'm just trying to be generous too, because the Dilla Room is like off the scale somewhere, dude. The sun is just coming off that water. Where's my sunglasses?
Jeez. It's that Seattle rain.
Oh, I know. Just your typical day in the Pacific Northwest on a old-fashioned Friday. Sun is shining.
Every old-fashioned Friday is sunshine.
Sunshine, nothing but sunshine. Hey, look at the view of Mount Rainier right there.
Always goes down smooth.
What's the saying, though?
One
Another
more.
one? What?
One more. I'll get in trouble for that one.
Oh, just edit that part out.